CoinJar NFT Marketplace Australia pricing. Explain what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume CoinJar is just for buying and selling crypto. The surprising truth is CoinJar also offers a NFT marketplace for Australian users with transparent pricing and easy access to digital collectibles. Marketplace fees on CoinJar are typically between 1% and 2% per transaction. There are no recurring or hidden charges, and storing it in your CoinJar wallet is free. Blockchain network fees, such as Ethereum gas, are separate, but CoinJar integrates optimizations to reduce these costs where possible. Listing a NFT is easy. Upload your digital file, set your price, and it becomes instantly available for buyers. Buyers pay with supported cryptocurrencies, and all fees are displayed upfront, making every transaction completely transparent. Security is a top priority. CoinJar uses encrypted wallets and two-factor authentication to safeguard your NFTs, while letting you maintain control of your private keys. Whether you are trading, transferring, or holding, your assets remain secure. In conclusion, CoinJar provides an affordable, secure, and transparent NFT marketplace for Australians. With low fees, free wallet storage, and network optimizations, CoinJar is a reliable choice for anyone looking to buy, sell, or hold NFTs with confidence.